where people walk around, come to face somebody, and then just take a moment to notice what they would like to do with this person. And when they notice something, they say, ready. Ready.
Ready.
So in the interest of equalizing power dynamics, we have the person who's ready second share their desire first. So what's the thing you'd like to do?
I would like to squeeze your hands.
Okay. Mine was that I would like to stand next to each other and jump up and down. So then we have people practice negotiating something that would be in both of their desire. Right? So it might be a combination of those two things. We might do one and then the other. I might say, oh, I didn't even think of that. I like your display better. Let's do that. If there's no overlap with these, you can keep talking. See if you can find something that would be in both of your joy. So that might look like, well, how about, would you like to hold hands and jump up and down with me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Awesome.
So you have people all over the room doing things like that. And there's a surprising amount of joy that comes out of it. So just really sort of driving home this idea of the mutuality and the creativity of it, even in a non-sexual context.